Hey guys, it's Tanya. So today we have a box from Your Creative Studio, and this one it said flower, I believe. So our floral. This is the card, right? It has some birds on there, and it looks really pretty. So we're just gonna take it out and see what we got, right? Okay. So first things first, we have it says time collection, and I don't know what it is. I know it's sticky. Hold on just a second. Okay. Guys, I don't got time to do that. Undo it like this, so I'll just snip it off like that. It's easier for me. Okay. Oh, cool. Looks like stuff that you can use in a travel journal, maybe. Yeah, tickets, and then you have, oh, cute. Right, and then you have some of these. These are vellum stickers. I love using these. So we're gonna put those right over here. I'm gonna put all this stuff right here. All right. This will go perfect if you journal a lot. These boxes are perfect for you. You know, I don't journal very often, so I'm more of a take pictures kind of girl, write a few things, and there you go. But if you journal a lot, these boxes are perfect for you. But I do use them in my junk journals though, when I'm making them. Oh, cute stamp. It looks like it could be, I don't know, just a circle with some a design on it, right? You could, then wouldn't that be cute, like a mirror? Like what you could do is you can stamp it and then cut the circle out, and then maybe you can put like one of these in there, one of this in there, like right here, and then do it like that. That would be cute. Then you have a design. That's a cute idea. This says past memories. Let's see, kind of like the same thing as the other one. Oh, but this one has like an actual, what is this, baby's breath in there. Then you got some more little collage pieces and things like that. This would be for like your journal and stuff like that. I guess like to see how you're doing, a wellness, look like a wellness little thing. So this is cute right here. Get that, put that right over there. It's over here, right here. Okay. Then we got some washi tape. Okay. Oh, it's a blue washi tape with flowers. It's pretty. Right over there. Then we have another stamp. Right. And what is this stamp? Oh, it's a little flower. And then we have another one. Right? I'll stamp them out and so you guys can see them. And then we have another one. Cute. Okay, those are all the stamps. Oh, and then we have another pack of vellum flower stickers, and these are the same color palette. They're still purple, but they're really pretty. Look at that. Really pretty. Right? Okay, we have that. Put this over here, and then we have Land of All Things. I don't know what this is. It looks like cards, maybe some type of cards. Yeah, and this has like a burlap texture. Well, not a texture, but a burlap look. It's really thin though. And then we have some more cute. Guys, these are really pretty. You can make tags with these. These are nice. Right? Okay. Have that. And then we have bill collection. Can I get, where's the, oh, come on, y'all. Okay. Right? Oh, cute. Right? This would be cute for like if you wanted to do a masterboard and just put all this old vintage stuff together and make it into a collage on a journal or something like that, like this. Cute. Paper texture is like 20 pounds, so like copy paper. This one is, I don't know. Oh, but I do like this. This is pretty. How they have it like this, right? That's a cute idea. Let's tie it with some jute. Oh, come on. It would do that on me, wouldn't it? That's okay. That's why we have scissors. Okay, so we have some, I want to say, I don't think these are stickers, but you know, just some cute journaling cards. To me, that's what they are. Then you have some little tags or whatever. These are cute. Could you imagine like backing this with something a little bit harder and then having them on the top of your journal? I think that would be a cute, or have them like as an index card type thing. That would be a cute idea. Then what we have, ooh, I like this. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Very cute. Some vintage, these are not, I don't think these are stickers. But these are really, really pretty. The images are gorgeous, aren't they? They would make gorgeous tags. What do y'all think? I think they would. So those are pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love that. Okay, let's bring that over here. Then we have some masking tape. That's what it says, masking tape. So I'm sure it's kind of like tissue paper, maybe. Yeah, for decoupaging. So those are pretty. Don't really decoupage a lot, so but it's really pretty. Okay, this one is rub-on transfers, but they're really pretty. Take this, put it on there, rub it on there, and then it transfers on something. So that's cool. Then we have some more stickers. These kind of have, they look like they're vellum, but they kind of remind you of stamps, you know, so you can make a cute postcard. That's cute. Put that on there. And then we have some paper, which is lovely. Real lovely. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time opening these today. But that's okay. It's totally okay. I'm cool with that. Okay. Look at that. So we have different designs. Gorgeous. Can you guys see that? Yes. They kind of repeat. This is pretty. And then we have some vellum, right? I love that. I love the vellum. Let's see what other one we have. We have, oh, pretty, 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 right? So that is your box. Let's see what we can make. Tell you guys that I was going to stamp out everything, and totally user error right here, okay? I'm horrible at stamping. So, I pressed too hard, but y'all, it's stamped out pretty, and they stamped out gorgeous as well. Okay guys, so we're gonna make some masterboards. Now, I already made one. Now, what is a masterboard? From what I can gather, it is just a bunch of papers that you have laying around, and you make one big paper. So you can collage it all on one big paper, and you make ephemera with it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys a couple ideas after we make it, but this is the first one that I did, okay, right here, you know, and I made this one with this pad right here, right? And so the next one we're gonna do it with these. I cut them up already to save time. Guys, so we have the floral, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start placing it on here like this. In no particular order, but yeah, no, I don't really have an order, y'all. I'm just placing it, right? Okay, so did I tell you guys that this was 110-pound cardstock right here. Yeah, that's what this is, okay? And you can use anything. You can use a file folder. You can use whatever you want. But this is just what I had laying around. So this is what I'm going to use, okay? So... if you have scraps, totally you should do this, right? And I always have some scraps. I think it turned out really pretty. What do you guys think? I think it looks really nice. Okay, so I'm going to do one more, and then I will come back and show you guys what I got and what I made out of it. Okay guys, so here are the things that I made. So these are the 3 that I made, and I cut them. You can see that. And here's the other one that I made, right? So, yep. Okay, so what I made out of them, I made the envelope out of the other one. I just used my die and cut an envelope and then put some glassine in there, then a little Tim Holtz clamp and some of the ephemera that came with it. And then, I didn't put any ribbons in here. This one is just a slide with that flower that we had in there, right? Cute. And then I did another one. This one you got journaling space on the back. You could totally make this into like a paper clip too. But this is the sticker, right? And then we have just 2 regular tags. Yeah. So I hope you guys got some ideas. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. God bless. Bye.